In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the official Minecraft launcher on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Edge. Next, search for Minecraft Download and open the official Minecraft.net website. Once you're on the website, click Download for Windows to download the Minecraft launcher. When the download is complete, open the installer to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Minecraft launcher on your computer. After the installation is finished, launch the Minecraft launcher. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose the version you want to play, such as Java Edition or Bedrock Edition, and you're ready to start your Minecraft adventure. Keep in mind that while the Minecraft launcher is free to download, you'll need to purchase Minecraft to play the full game if you don't already own it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Minecraft on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.